Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bellscoin. Now the Bellscoin just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting today, January 16th. We're going to go over the information on the Bellscoin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. I guess technically it's a coin. It runs on its own blockchain. Looks like their block explorer is at Bellscan, BELSCAN.io. And they have the coin supply right here. It says 13,102,422 coins. It's got the network, difficulty, price, market cap, all that type of stuff is available on their Bellscan here. And it says their Twitter right here. I'm going to put it on the screen at _Bellscoin. And it has 11,000 followers. Just joined in December 2023. Brand new project. 357 tweets so far. And it's got a link to their Bellscan right there as well. Right after that Bitcoin talk link. You could find that there. And yeah, they have a big announcement here on this page. It says Bellscoin is a script coin based on the currency from the Nintendo game Animal Crossing. Very popular game. It was released on Bitcoin Talk roughly 8 days before Dogecoin in 2023. The original idea was to create a cryptocurrency based on the Nintendo game Animal Crossing. In Animal Crossing, Bellscoin is the main currency obtained through various activities like collecting fruits, catching bugs, fishing, and digging for fossils. However, the blockchain went offline for good in late 2014 as Dogecoin took off. So Bellscoin was abandoned and had resets. Thankfully, the community has rebirthed it. More nodes come online in 2023. So I heard about a different project like this. I forget the name of it. I did a video a long time ago, maybe a year or two ago, where I think it was like one of the original meme tokens, if not like, yeah, I can't remember, but same thing. Somebody abandoned it and then they rebirthed it, and I wonder how well that did. But maybe this is a normal thing now, and it's probably happened multiple times. But this coin just got listed today. Trading opened at 9 a.m. UTC time, January 16th, on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get the Bellscoin and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this coin here is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Bellscoin, and then simply just buy the coin. So they also refer to this as ticker symbol BEL, or just Bells, they call it, on MEX, or sorry, not on MEXC, on Coinex Global. It is listed though as Bellscoin, so just be aware of that. So they have Medium articles you could check out at medium.bellscan.io. So it says uncovered miners reaping rewards. So it says on December 13th, CT was graced by a tweet from Adam McBride detailing the Dogecoin founder Billy Marcus's older project, Bells. And they show the tweet from this Adam McBride here on Twitter. Very old tweet, of course. Through some expert sleuthing, him and his friends discovered that Bells, based on Animal Crossing, had been created in 2013 but abandoned in 2014, and they revived it together, including the thread that he wrote where there's instructions about how to set up a client and mine Bellscoin. So community reception was astronomical, and miners quickly onboarded to this new gold rush. The emissions in the first 90 days has created quite a profitable situation for miners who have been mining upwards of 400,000 Bell every single day. At current prices of writing this, it says $5.50. That's just around $2.2 million daily. For comparison, the daily Doge and Litecoin rewards are 1.3 million daily and 250,000 daily, respectively. So miner hash rate has reflected this, at recent peak being 40%, the Doge daily hash rate. For a token with a $25 million market cap, Bell has certainly punched above its weight. On December 14th, Bellscan, the official Bell Explorer, was created to help users navigate the Bell Layer 1 blockchain. Similar to Etherscan, users can find the data on wallet holdings, wallet transfers, current supply, along with potential useful information such as the current hash rate. As was done in the older days, OTC trading became quite common and frequent in Bell's Discord until non-KYC exchange listed Bell on the 15th, daily volumes of which have currently topped number 1 for the small, privacy-oriented exchange. As of current writing, daily volume $2 million is 10 times the number 2 ranked volume ETH, which is 200K. Bell is quickly growing, but its story is still being written, and there's plenty of mining rewards to go around. And there's an image on their Medium article that outlines the current emissions rate for Bell, if you guys are interested in it. So it says currently there are roughly 4.6 million Bell mined. Given the block reward schedule, we can expect another 32 mil Bell to be mined in the next 80 days, followed by another 18 mil Bell when the rewards are adjusted again in the second 90-day interval, and an incremental 4 million Bell in the final 180 days before the reward schedule reaches a reward terminus of 2 Bell per block. And all to say, if you're interested in participating, you're still early and there's plenty of Bell to go around. And then you can find info about the mining pool on their Medium article as well. So check it all out, medium.bellscan.io. I'm going to put their Twitter up here for you guys to check out as well, at _Bellscoin. And you can find this coin newly listed on Coinex Global, so check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Coinex Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.